In this video, we listed the 5 best printers for small business that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Canon Color MF656CDW. The Canon MF656CDW is a versatile wireless 4-in-1 color laser printer designed for efficient and high-quality printing, copying, scanning, and faxing. Equipped with advanced connectivity options including Wi-Fi 802.11b/G/N and Wi-Fi Direct, it supports seamless mobile printing through Canon Print Business, Apple AirPrint, and Mopria Print Service. This printer features impressive specs such as a maximum print speed of 22 pages per minute for both color and monochrome, a quick first print time of approximately 10.3 seconds, and double-sided printing capabilities. The MF656CDW comes with a 250-sheet standard cassette, a 1-sheet multi-purpose tray, and a 50-sheet automatic document feeder, ensuring robust performance for various printing needs. Designed with energy efficiency in mind, it is ENERGY STAR certified and EPEAT Silver qualified. With a sleek white finish and user-friendly touch screen display, it combines functionality and style, all backed by a 3-year limited warranty for added peace of mind. Number 2. Brother DCP L2640DW. The Brother DCP L2640DW is a versatile monochrome laser printer designed specifically for small businesses, offering a compact 3-in-1 solution that combines printing, scanning, and copying functionalities. With impressive print speeds of up to 36 pages per minute and scanning speeds of up to 23.6 IP for black and 7.9 IP for color, it enhances productivity while maintaining high-quality black and white output. The printer features a 50-page automatic document feeder for efficient multi-page tasks and supports various connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB, ensuring seamless integration into any office environment. Users can conveniently manage their printing tasks through the Brother Mobile Connect app, allowing for remote printing and toner management. Additionally, the printer is compatible with Brother Genuine Toner, offering a subscription service to ensure users never run out of toner while enjoying potential savings. With its ENERGY STAR certification and EPEAT qualification, the DCP L2640DW is not only efficient but also environmentally friendly. Number 3. Brother HL L2460DW. The Brother HL L2460DW is a compact and efficient monochrome laser printer designed for home offices and small teams, delivering consistent, high-quality black and white prints at speeds of up to 36 pages per minute. It features versatile connectivity options, including dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz, Ethernet, and USB, along with automatic duplex printing to save time and reduce paper waste. The printer is equipped with a 250-sheet capacity paper tray and a manual feed slot for handling envelopes and specialty paper. Users can remotely manage the printer and print on the go using the Brother Mobile Connect app. It is ENERGY STAR and EPEAT qualified, ensuring energy efficiency, and comes with a 1-year limited warranty and lifetime support from Brother. For optimal performance, the printer uses Brother Genuine TN830 or TN830XL toner, with an optional Refresh EZ print subscription service offering savings of up to 50% on toner and a free trial to get started. Number 4. HP OfficeJet Pro 9730E. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9730E is a high-performance inkjet printer designed for office use, delivering professional quality color prints with speeds of up to 18 ppm for color and 22 ppm for black and white. It features advanced capabilities such as auto-duplex printing, an auto-document feeder, and dual 250-sheet input trays, making it ideal for handling high-volume tasks efficiently. Equipped with dual-band Wi-Fi for reliable wireless connectivity and the HP Smart app for seamless printing, scanning, copying, and faxing from your smartphone, it ensures convenience and productivity. The printer offers vibrant, screen-accurate prints with its wide-format P3 color gamut and includes a 4.3-inch touchscreen for intuitive navigation. With built-in HP Wolf Pro security, it safeguards data and networks against cyber threats. Additionally, the device supports sustainable practices with over 30% recycled plastic in its design and comes with a 3-month instant ink subscription for cost-effective ink management. However, it is compatible only with original HP cartridges, maintained through periodic firmware updates. Number 5. HP OfficeJet 250. The HP OfficeJet 250 is a versatile all-in-one portable inkjet printer designed for on-the-go printing, scanning, and copying. It features both wired and wireless connectivity, including Bluetooth Smart technology and Wi-Fi Direct, allowing seamless printing from laptops, smartphones, or tablets using the HP ePrint app. Compact and durable, it fits conveniently in a car or backpack, making it ideal for mobile professionals. The printer boasts a 2.65-inch color touchscreen for easy operation, a 10-page automatic document feeder for hands-free multitasking, and supports various paper sizes, including letter, legal, envelopes, and photo prints. With Energy Star certification, a fast-charging battery that charges fully in 90 minutes when off, and compatibility with original HP 62 and HP 62 XL cartridges for high-quality results, it ensures efficiency and reliability. Backed by a 1-year limited hardware warranty and technical phone support, the OfficeJet 250 is a powerful, portable solution for professional printing needs.